Want to make authentic pad thai at home? All you need is this pad thai sauce in your fridge. Made with tamarind concentrate, palm sugar and fish sauce. So you can have fresh, delicious pad thai at home anytime. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. The 3 ingredients you will need. If you use hard palm sugar like me, you have to chop it first before you measure. Place 1 cup palm sugar or coconut sugar. Add ½ cup fish sauce. Add ½ cup tamarind concentrate. Then combine all ingredients. Bring it to boil over medium heat. Simmer until the palm sugar is dissolved, about 5 to 10 minutes. Important, at this point, you need to taste the sauce and adjust it to fit your taste. But keep in mind, your pad thai sauce should taste sweet first, followed by salty and sour last. Turn off the heat and let it completely cool down. Now the pad thai sauce is ready to use. Store in the jar or an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep 3 to 4 weeks.